Okay, so today is New Year's Day, and the weather's not going to be good, so here coming up the next week or so. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab LibertyDog and jump in the old Subaru Crosstrek and, I don't know, head down to the river. She hasn't seen a river yet, so let's go. Okay, Liberty, you ready to go to the park? Let's go to the park. Let's go see some fun stuff. What do you say? Huh? Okay, let's go. So today, we're going to take the little Subaru Crosstrek Wilderness down to a park where there's a river. Got my dog Liberty with us. She's back here. And we're going to let her get her first look at this particular park, and there's a river down there, so I don't know. We'll see how she handles the river. I'm not going to put her in it, this time of year, obviously. So we'll just see what she does. See if she has a little bit of fun. Okay. Then we're off. It's foggy. It's foggy, all right. But the weather's not going to be good for the rest of the week, so we kind of gotta go. Today's good. The weather's not going to be good for the foreseeable future, so I want to get Liberty down away from the house again, another experience in a car ride, and kind of out of her element, which is always been home. So she's hasn't been in a car too many times, as you can probably hear. But I'm sure once we get there, she'll be a little more happier. Shouldn't have too much farther to go. About another, I don't know, 15-20 minutes and we're there. But it's still the longest ride she's been on, so gotta get her trained up for car rides and things like that, so we can travel and get to these places that will definitely enriching her life and make her see more things and be a more reliable, happy outdoor dog. This way. This way. Come here, girl. Okay. Come on, sweetie. Come on. Good girl. Where are we going? Here we go. We're going in circles. We're going in circles. Well, Liberty, was that fun? Yeah, Jojo, was that fun? You got to have a little walk in a park and see some nature and some water and some ferns and holly and lots of trees and my ear and all kinds of stuff. Yeah, was that cool? That was cool, huh? That's just the start of it, sweetie. Wait till we hit the kayaks. What do you say? Onward? So today went pretty good. Nice little outing day for Liberty as I try to ease her into all this stuff. It went really good. I think it's important to ease her into it a little step at a time so I don't kind of overwhelm her or get her kind of nervous or scared. I like to make it fun, you know, little short trips to where she kind of looks forward to it instead of dreading it, you know what I mean? And she did really good today. I think that as we learn to do this together, we take this ongoing journey together. I think it's going to be pretty fun. So far, we're off to a really good start. So today was a good run. We're heading back home, and she'll get to tell Freedom all about it. Liberty will sit there and brag to Freedom about what a time she had. But it's really difficult to teach a dog and get them comfortable with new surroundings when they're getting distracted by their pack mates. So I really wanted her to be able to experience this with just, you know, me and her. It's very important that we continue to strengthen our bond and reliance on each other. The Crosstrek did an awesome job. I did take it up one hill that other vehicles I've owned you've really had to lay in the throttle to get it up. And this thing just booked right up it, no problem. I think it's the all-wheel drive and the 411 gearing in the rear. And I know there's some different programming in the transmission as well. You know, so while I didn't go out today to do a Crosstrek video today, I'm going to take advantages of times like this to be able to kind of feel this thing out as the opportunity arises. Because when I'm out doing my videos and stuff, I will face those challenges intermittently, and you never know what. But so far, this little Crosstrek Wilderness, man, it is rocking. It is doing an awesome job. So, it's another video from LibertyDog Productions. Great day with LibertyDog. And with that, I'll catch you on the next one. See ya.